Eh, my brother, look at the way you are shining.
My brother.
Wait, despite the side talk, you are still shining.
I'm a tactical man.
Very good.
The reason why I'm still shining is because I don't listen to side talk.
School petenya.
Whatever they say, they are very correct.
They are very correct.
I don't listen to side talk.
You even have an iPhone.
That is what I'm using.
Wait, but you know you have not finished building your house. You want to buy a car.
My brother, you are very correct.
Abi?
You are very correct. They are correct, and you are most correct.
Thank you.
Good.
Why would I be correct?
You are very, very correct.
Huh? I'm very correct. No, I'm not correct. Wait, I'm not correct. Bam, look at my in-laws. Oh. Come inside.
Good day, sir.
Good day. You have really taken up my daughter very well.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir.
Let's go inside. Very good.
No, you can't tell me that. I don't like you. No. I won't tell you that. Sweetheart, let's go.
My daughter, go inside.
No, sir. You can't tell me that. Sweetheart, let's leave this place.
Hello, Juna, go inside.
Dear, you are married to me. Let's leave this place.
I'm your father and I'll continue to be your father till father notice. Sorry, till judgment day. Go inside.
Sir, she's my wife. You gave her to me and till death do us part, I'm not leaving her. Let's leave this place.
School person. My friend, don't take the laws into your able hands. My daughter, go inside.
I'm a tactical man. Allow me to do this in a tactical manner. Let's go.
My daughter, go inside.